My savages, myself. We back on this crypto, man, on another episode of that Money Man you already know. But before we get into it, you already know what you need to do. I need y'all to spam that like button, subscribe and share, and tell y'all friends about that Money Man you already know. And I know I be jumping around on channels, man, but I'm trying to find a consistent place where I can upload this crypto, man. So we about to get back on the main channel. But like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Money Man you already know. And all my other channels, man, link down in the description. You want to join the Discord, go subscribe to my other channels, because we doing big things with AI and all that coming. But y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. We gonna talk about this Bitcoin, this Solana, this Avalanche, and y'all favorite that blew my channel up, Cronos.com, crypto.com, boy, Cronos, man. But before we get into it, hey, y'all already know what time it is. So my side, here we is right now, man. Depends on you watching this video. Everything is big on crypto, man. We had this pullback, like I said, depends on you watching this video. We had a pullback on certain coins, on these meme coins, and a lot of the other alternative coins that ain't even took off yet. They pulled back too, man. But some we do have big green bubbles on this crypto bubbles dot right here, man. Like Avalanche right here. That's one we're gonna take a look at. Solana right here, and then as y'all can see, I just had a crow right here, man. It's down on the day, on the week. Depends on you watching this video, because we on the week chart. But right now, y'all already see what I'm talking about, bro. Bitcoin was running up past 70K, and then it came all the way back down. Now everybody's saying maybe it was Vanguard when they came out and said they weren't going to offer any Bitcoin spot ETFs on their platform because they don't believe it should be in everybody's portfolio as a retirement thing. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's why. But maybe it's the other reason why, because the halving event is coming, and we supposed to be getting the pullback, but because we didn't get the pullback like we thought we were because of the spot Bitcoin ETFs and all the institutions buying Bitcoin, now we trying to kind of sort of getting that pullback on Bitcoin, man. We're going to take a look at the chart right here. But before we do that, hey, the last hour Bitcoin is down by 0.1%. On the day it's up 3.4%. On the week it's down 1.5%. On the month it's still up 30.7%. And on the year 150%. Bitcoin is at 68,263. But doing overnight, man, yesterday overnight, depending on you watching the video, Bitcoin had came all the way back down to 65,114, man. And that was another opportunity to scoop up some. If you didn't get none, just dollar cost average in, because Bitcoin is going to be over 100,000 at some point. You know what I'm saying? But at this point, let's take a chart. Let's take a look at the chart, and we're going to see what's going on. Now we're looking at the chart, my savages. As y'all can see, Bitcoin is at $68,263. Depends on you watching this video. And don't be scared of all these lines that I got drawn on this chart right here, man. This is on Webull desktop right here, man. But now, you see these horizontal lines that I got? I had already had these drawn before Bitcoin pulled back. As y'all can see, before Bitcoin ran up and before it pulled back, as y'all can see right here, this last candle, we on the day chart, the last candle right here, it touched my red line that I had already based off of this candle, this green candle right here at the top. That's where we was when we made the last Bitcoin video. And as y'all can see, it's hitting every line that I got, bro. And I'm still learning about this, man. Stocks with Josh. Appreciate you, man, for learning how to chart on these things and reading these lines and these trend lines. Now, what I wanted y'all to take a look at right here, man, is you see where we at right here on Bitcoin. We had touched 64,000 just a little bit, and then we bounced back up on this green candle on the day. But the candle before that was red. You know, that color right there is red on the crypto on this. But we had pulled all the way back. That one we pulled all the way back. Now, I want y'all to take a look at this line right here. I'm gonna make it yellow so y'all can see it real good. I'm gonna make this one right here yellow so y'all can, and thicker and yellow so y'all can see it real good too. So right here, this is the uptrend. These are the trend lines that I got going on. So we can see that back early February 13, 2024, we was on that uptrend. We consolidated right here because we hit the Bollinger Bands, and then we skyrocketed all the way when Bitcoin exploded all the way up to 73,000. Y'all see we was on that uptrend. Then we had that big pullback right here, man. Had a little green. Then we had another pullback. And guess what, my savages? It is a downtrend coming now, right now. Now, I don't know if we gonna hold or we gonna stay above. But hey, everything I've been hearing, just my opinion, not financial advice, but everything I've been hearing is Bitcoin is coming back down to 61,000, and best believe I'm about to have my cash ready because them tax refunds should be back by then, and I'm gonna drop me another stack, maybe not even a stack, but I'm gonna drop me some more money back on Bitcoin as it come down to 61,000. Now, if we don't get to that point, then I'm just gonna let what I got ride. You know what I'm saying? I ain't chasing Bitcoin at all, even though I know it's gonna be 100,000 plus, even up to 1 million someday as we get older. But right now, as y'all see this right now, we just talking about right now today. You see this right here. Look at my trend line, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Listen to me. When I did this on the other stocks and stuff, what I was doing, trying to play options on it, every time I drew a trend line, it hit it and it bounced off. So right now, as you can see, we are up on today, tomorrow, and next day, and maybe the whole week, the next 2 weeks, as you can see, until we break the trend line of going down, we're going to continue going down. If we break the trend line and it stays above this line, then we are going up. We back in the uptrend. But right now we on this downtrend, as you can see. So I expecting this candle, this next candle that's going to be right here, to be under and touching this line. But it's going to be under. It ain't going to be over. It's going to be under. That's just my opinion. Not saying it's going to happen, not saying it will, but it will be touching this line at some point. It might be a little over, but what I'm saying is, can it hold? And then we get confirmation if the next day confirmation is if that candle does not touch that line and it stays above my downtrend line. That would be confirmation that we moving back up or we just consolidating sideways. So, hey, like I said, just my opinion. I ain't no guru. I'm still learning. But I'm expecting this next candle to touch this line and come down. That's just my opinion. Now, if it do go the other way, it just go the other way. I ain't telling you to buy, sell, trade, or swap anything. You know what I'm saying? That's just money, main opinion. Now, that's just my thoughts on Bitcoin. Now, it could come back to 64,000, but like I said, everything I've been seeing, it coming back down to 61. And y'all can see right here, this yellow line right here is at 60,000. So it should come back down and start to touch it. But see, when it cross right here, when it cross right here on the 64 and then it keep breaking down, then yeah, we breaking down. But if it go past 60, hey, we might be coming back to 56, maybe 56,000. We coming back if we break 60,000 on the down, on the bear trend. But hey, that's just my opinion. Y'all like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friend about that money, man. You already know. Savages, we back, man. I'll tell y'all, bro. I'll tell you, man. It's been a minute since I've been making videos, so it is what it is. The whole screen was black, so we recording this over. Y'all know I keep it straight raw, straight savage, but it is what it is. Now we on Solana right here, man. Like y'all see, like I told y'all on Bitcoin, man. Y'all see the trend lines. Don't get scared about the lines, but y'all see Solana is up on a rocket right now, man. It's crazy how we hit 126. When we broke through 126, we skyrocketed all the way up to where we at right now, man. I'm telling y'all, but the all-time high is at 259, give or take $1 or $2. You know what I'm saying? But right now, like I said, that's where we on our way. As you can see, these next couple candles, man, it looks like we're gonna keep going up on that uptrend, and then we're gonna touch the trend line. Now, I ain't saying we can't get a pullback, because that's what might happen until we get this halving event, and then the next run up is supposed to be, based off what I've been hearing and listening to and watching, another 300% on these meme coins. But Solana ain't did nothing with the pullback and everything and all the other coins. Solana said no, I'm staying right where I'm at, and they still on that rocket up, man. Solana is moving strong. Now we're gonna move to Avalanche real quick, man. Like I said, man, now this chart is about the same. Avalanche, look at that. Solana and Avalanche chart just about the same. Like I said, these trend lines, bro. Avalanche is on the uptrend, man. I had Solana, sold it at 57. Still got my Avalanche, but I had bought it back in 21 at the highs. So I'm thinking like break it even right now, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Just holding it. But these are not long-term holds. I just did that because I was, still learning. But now these are trades, man. I'm trading. When these hit close to the all-time high, 147, hey, I'm getting up out of it. You know what I'm saying? Might not even be that long. If it hit even right here, 103, this Avalanche, remember that. But like I said, up on the uptrend, we done had a little pullback on here, and then we might consolidate in between here and make a flag pattern. But that is bullish, man. A flag pattern is bullish. Basically, you got the pole stick right here on the flag, and then to consolidate, you know, that's the real flag right there. Then it shoot back up. But hey, we don't know what's gonna happen. We gotta stay tuned and see what's going on with this crypto. Cause anything, any news could change this crypto. But Avalanche and Solana, I like it, man. Now the big dog that y'all come here to see anyway, that blew my channel up. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, Michelle. Cronos, Crypto.com coin, whatever one you want to call it, man. But this is a little different from the last two we just seen. Now, like I said, we was on the uptrend right here, way back in November 23, all the way we consolidated right there, had the little flag pattern right there, and boom, skyrocketed up all the way to we at right now. Now, my last Crow video on this channel, or my other channel, Brian Time Opulence, go subscribe. Hey, watch that video on Crow when I told y'all the resistance level on Crow was at 17 cents, and that's what we had hit. We got a little past it, then we start coming back down. Now, this is on a downtrend. Now, I expect this thing to consolidate a little bit, touch my trend line, and come all the way down. So it might be a couple days stuck right here at the price we at. Or we could have a pullback down all the way back to 12 cents. Either way, I think we're going to hit my trend line, or we're going to go down to 12 cents, bounce off, and just stay consolidating between there until we get either a movement up or a movement down. Now, we break 12 cents and start going down. We're going to 11, going to break 11, we're going to 10. Then we get past 10, we're going all the way down to 7, man. That's just my opinion and what I think, not financial advice. I'm just telling y'all, man. But these are my top 3 right here, man. Real talk. Because the Crow coin, I'm not even buying this. I'm getting it passively. If y'all real true 70s, y'all know what I'm talking about, man. From way back when Crow first came out, we had jumped on this thing. And that's just what it is, man. I'm just earning it little bit by little bit. I ain't even worried about it. But Solana and Avalanche, like I said, I already got Avalanche. I had Solana. I just didn't jump back in. I made a video about it and everything, but I should have jumped back in. But I was worried about Bitcoin and Ethereum. But it is what it is, man. Rinse and repeat is always other coins that you can get in. And Solana done reached number 4 right here, man. That's crazy. But like I said, man, it is what it is. All crypto, you can throw a dart right here, man, and buy some, wait till the next 300% run up on some of these meme coins and some of these other altcoins. They're going to run up to, and we going to be making bank, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get in. Should have got in way back in the crypto winter, but it is what it is, man. You live and you learn, but y'all already know what time it is.
Money man in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should already know my name when I speak this CC flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know money man. Money man.